morning everyone. I am Adha Saxena and I welcome you to our Prime Show. The India wants to know, and today we have one-to-one talk session with our guest and my father Mr. Saxena. So sir, first of all, I welcome you to our show. And thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you.
And by following social distancing, we say apart gap of 1 meter. That's why we have removed our mask.
Yeah, of course.
So sir, first of all, tell me that how are you?
I'm perfectly fine.
Okay, that's great. How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family. Me, my wife, my son and one my little cute daughter.
Okay, so you mean have a nuclear family.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. As we know that the country is suffering from coronavirus, in fact whole world is suffering from coronavirus. So what do you think about this pandemic?
Actually, this pandemic is very harsh and cruel to all of us. And in fact, it's a time of our exam, of our patience, confidence and willpower.
Yes, you said right. But so the cases are increasing rapidly, especially in Delhi and Mumbai.
Yeah.
The situation is so critical.
Yeah.
So sir, you are from Delhi. So how would you like to take care of you and your family member in this crucial time?
Actually, as per our Honorable Prime Minister's famous quote, SMS, social distancing, mask and sanitizing the hands. So I just follow it strictly.
Are you following all preventive measures suggested by the government?
Yes, of course.
Okay, but tell me why washing hands is so necessary and why government and all health agencies are laid so stress on washing hands?
Actually, Aradhya, this coronavirus is spreading by touching any surface. So it's very important and necessary to wash or sanitize our hands after touching anything outside from home or inside our home.
Okay, and
Yeah.
thanks for letting us know. In fact, I request to all my viewers to please follow all preventive measures suggested by the government. So as we know that coronavirus has very basic symptoms like common flu. So as a parent, what preventive measures would you suggest to our viewers to protect children?
In this regard, I would request to all the parents that they should not allow their children to go out from their homes at any case. And children should not take junk foods nowadays.
Okay, and there's also mobile-based application Arogya Setu.
Yeah.
It's introduced by the government. Have you installed it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, that's highly appreciable. You are so aware. So what is your feedback about this app? It is really helpful. I mean it helps in maintaining social distancing.
Yes, it helps in maintaining social distancing.
Okay. So as we know that strong immunity system work as a barrier against COVID-19. So what would you suggest to our viewers to boosting our immunity system?
Actually, first of all, any type of workouts boosts our immune system. So we should do some yogas, exercise and morning walk regularly. And besides it, we should take some healthy foods, homemade pure food, green vegetables, seasonable fruits, especially sour fruits, and chavanpras, amla in any form, and kala as per Ayushman Institute guidelines.
Okay, so good diet with proper exercise, especially yogas.
Yeah.
Okay, so how would you spend your lockdown time in past days?
Actually, my past lockdown time was so good. Watching Holy Ramayana serials and
Yeah.
many other movies. And due to my job of essential services, I also went to my office in primary lockdown periods.
Okay, that's highly appreciable. You go in your work in a lockdown.
Yeah.
That's the dedication.
Thank you.
So, sir, please tell us whenever you move out for any work. So, what essential things and specific things should we keep in our mind?
Obviously, first mask and social distancing and washing and sanitizing
Okay.
hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
As we know that from 1st June onwards, lockdown 5 will be enacted in containment zones only, and unlock 1 has implemented. So
Yeah.
what do you think? Government decision is right or government makes some hurry in unlocking?
Actually, as per our Prime Minister's quote, "Jaan hai, jaan bhi, jahan bhi." So it was essential to unlocking some essential things by step.
Okay, and there's mentioning in Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines that government is planning to open schools and colleges soon in unlock 2.
Yeah, I think it's not possible to unlock the school in next months. As per we are seeing the increasing case of rapidly so much in Delhi, so it's not possible.
Okay, let's assume if schools also got permitted, so what preventive measures would you suggest to schools to adopt to proper care of students?
Yeah, I think first guards should sanitize every student's hands on school main gate, and second, the every student should wear mask in whole time in the school period. Though it is very
Okay.
tough to any students, and I think the numbers of the classes and the numbers of the students in every classes should be less in comparison of earlier, so that social distancing can be maintained.
Okay, so I guess government should think twice before opening
Yeah, of
schools.
course. Yeah.
So sir, thank you so much for being with us, and I also thank my viewers to be with us in this whole interview. So we come to the end of our today's session. Stay safe, stay